Today we're back out in Tuscan Estates here in Waxahachie, Texas. We're going to be taking a look at this beautiful custom Elmwood home here behind me. Let's go ahead and get after it right now. Well, once again, we are back out here in Waxahachie, Texas, in Tuscan Estates, the neighborhood. It's kind of close to the lake out here in Waxahachie, and it's a really pretty neighborhood. We're actually in kind of the back of the neighborhood in a really private lot here. This is an Elmwood home, like we talked about. It's the Finley floor plan, and I think it's just beautiful with all this this black around the home, and then the white, natural colored wood with the contrasting colors. I think it's a really cool look to the home. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home with a 3-car garage, and it's on a 1-acre lot. And once again, we talked about it being kind of tucked away back here at the back of the neighborhood. And also you've got this tree line all the way on the back of the property. So it's very, very private. Back behind in that tree line, there's actually used to be a train track. It's no longer in service. There aren't even tracks up there anymore, but it's a pretty cool little spot right there. It just adds to kind of the appeal of this lot and this home. And then also gives a ton of privacy back here as well. So this home is just over 2,600 square foot, and it's currently listed at $649,900. It's got the appliances already in here. You saw that typically Elmwood Homes, they do come with a tankless hot water heater. This one has 2 full hot water heaters. Actually, from a maintenance standpoint, those are pretty darn good. So this home is really ready to go with all the appliances in. You even got your washer and dryer in the laundry room here as well. And then just a beautiful master suite right here with access to that back porch. And I just love that ability to access the back porch from the master. They've also got a speaker system already wired through the house as well in the media room, as well as the back porch. So this home not only comes with an office here up front, but also tucked away back in the back here, you've got your media room and another exit to the back porch as well. You got a nice bathroom, full bathroom right here that can be used by any guests. And then you've got another full bathroom here for the other 3 remaining bedrooms to use. So this home really has a lot to offer, and I really, really think it has been done very nicely. So if you got questions about this home or any other questions about Elmwood in the area, the different floor plans that they've got, the customizability that they have, and then really any inventory homes that they still have in the area, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to get you information on that. And if you're looking to make a move in and around the DFW area, I'd be more than happy to help you make a successful move in the area. If you're looking to move to the area for the very first time, I'd also be more than happy to help you out in that way as well. Thank you all so much for tuning in this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week.